What was 700 series specialty? I'm asking you 700 series specialty, 700. Reporting, audit report. 800 series is also, 800 series is also, come on, 800 series is also audit report. So what's the difference between two series? 700 series reporting, 800 series reporting. I think I've told you. 700 series is what? It's general. The usual one. We have seen Infosys report. That is general. Now here we are going to deal about three specific cases. So which chapter were we in? Flow Chapter 8. Chapter 8 in there. Name, name is specialized areas. Wow, special. So in this chapter, and I'm giving you the overview of the chapter as such. Get off. So when you revise for the exam, okay, these are the things. This is the summary. So which series is covered in this chapter? Which series is covered? It is 800 to 899. And when you say the series, you say 800 to 899, 200 to 299, 300 to 499. So what is a series? And then a series of specialty. What is a specialty? It is regarding audit report. This is again to give the report. But as the chapter name saying, specialized areas. But how many essays did we say in the series? 10 or 12 or only 3? Guruji, lock karo. Lock it there. Abba. But which all are the essays? 1. 800. 2. 805. 3. 3. 8. 10. Now, exam hall, first difficulty you might face is how to identify when you see a question whether it is 800, 805, 810. For that, wait, I will give you the keywords. Okay. At a first, which is the first essay? Number, essay. 800. At 800 is dealing with audit of. Here also, you guys are doing audit of dash dash only. What are you doing the audit? As usual, you are doing the audit of financials, but not the general purpose FS. Okay, you know these words? General purpose FS, alla, no. Here we are doing the audit of specific cases. Now, what is 800? Wait. Audits of FS prepared in accordance with SPF, Specific Purpose Framework. Makle, what was that? What did I say? What? Come on. What did I say? Specific Purpose Framework. And with your permission, can I call it as SPF? Because I have to say many times. So can I call it as SPF? Specific Purpose Framework. Okay. Now, ma'am, what is it? Usually, company prepares a financial as per which framework? I'm asking you, usually company prepares the financial as per what framework? General purpose framework. Say, for example, come on, Schedule 3, accounting standards, Ind AS. This is which framework? Schedule 3, accounting standard, Ind AS. It is general purpose framework. Now, say for example, they are preparing the financial to meet the requirements of a specific user. Then that framework is called as the special purpose framework. Example, etc. I will give you. So, how to do the audit, when to accept the audit, how to give the report, what are the matters to be considered. It is said in essay 800. But are we clear with the first one? SPF, Specific Purpose Framework. Now, second, is there a concept called as partial audit? Audit of only balance sheet, audit of only P&L, audit of only cash flow, audit of only debtors. Have you heard like that in usual audit? If you do the audit at the full light. Now here, we'll do end to end, full. Here you are appointed to conduct the audit of single financial statements, meaning audit of only cash flow, audit of only balance sheet, audit of only P&L. And one more thing is there, audit of specific element, accounts, or items in FS. Single financial means balance sheet alone, P&L alone, cash flow alone. Specific element means audit of trade receivables, element, element. Or audit of only plant and machinery, audit of only fixed asset, plant and machinery I said, audit of only debtors, trade payables, trade receivables, element. This is not the general audit. So you can't call it as partial audit. It is a specific cases where you as an auditor is appointed to do the audit of only single or specific. So this is which essay will I write? Now I said single FS or specific element, 805. So exam hall, if you see audit of only balance sheet, audit of only trade payables, 805. But have you heard about abridged financials? Have you heard about abridged financials? It is there in Companies Act. Maybe in law you might have heard in Inter, AOC 3A. We don't have to study in auditing. But have you heard about abridged financials? Abridged means what? Less detail or more detail than FS. Less or more detail than FS. Abridged means, as the word says, it's a summary. Summary of the audited FS. Say, for example, for submitting for some purpose, for submitting to the authorities. That summary financial also has to be whether it is prepared from the complete financial, whether it is actual summary, whether summary shows fair summary. This is as per essay. Which essay? Engagements to report on what financials? Summary financial statements, which is abridged. But guys, there is a click on it. There is something very important. What? Ask me what? You don't know? This essay, okay, will apply, or this essay can be done only if you are the auditor of complete FS. Oh, wait, what did I say? In essay 800, how many types of framework? We said no, financial statements are divided into how many framework? It can be either general purpose or it can be special purpose framework. Now, essay 805, we use two types. One, it can be complete or full FS, or it can be single financial or specific element of FS. But are you following that short forms? Single FS or specific element. Now here, 810, what are those two? Makla, India wants to know. 810, what are those two? It can be one audited FS. From audited FS, what you will prepare? summary FS. Now my question is, can a CA do both general purpose and special purpose of a company? Yes, no. Can I be appointed to give report under 700 series? And can I also give the report under 800 also? So you can say yes, no. But both are two separate engagement, two reports. So no issue, you can do. Is it mandatory that you should alone do? Is it mandatory that both should be done by a CA? No, it can be done by separate. First one. The second one, complete FS, full FS, and single financial statement, specific element or FS. Is it mandatory that a single person should do both? Again, no. Can we do both? Answer is yes. But which is more appropriate, if the single person does both or separate person who does both? Both complete and single financial. Which one will be more appropriate? When a person does both, it will be appropriate. You know why? From complete FS only, single FS is prepared. From complete FS only, that specific element is prepared. But it can be done by separate also. Whereas, guys, change. In essay 810, summary is prepared by, summary is prepared from where? Summary is prepared from audited FS. So unless a person knows the audited FS or unless a person has done the audit of FS, he can't see the summary, whether it shows fair view. So here it will apply only if the auditors say. My question is, can separate auditors be appointed for audited and summary FS? Is that possible? Can separate auditors be appointed? Answer is no. No. But are we clear with this much? So, in the exam, one question is coming. Okay. CA Ninu is appointed by the company to give report on a specific contract. Contract is from US. Financials are prepared as per US GAAP. She has to give the report for the specific contractor. Which essay will apply? Is it 800, 805 or 810? Specific contractor, US contractor, financials are prepared as per US GAAP. Which essay will apply? Now, this is a past exam question of 2018. 18. Yeah. Okay. Now, second, again, CA Ninu is appointed because SEBI wants the abridged financial statements. SEBI wants the listed companies' abridged financial statements. Then it is essay 810. Last, Ninu is appointed to give report on only balance sheet. Only balance sheet. 805. You, one more thing I have to ask. She is appointed to give report on general FS. General FS. Then, very good. Then essay 700 will apply.